What's up, guys? If you're enjoying the content on my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like. Check. Okay, so in today's little photography tips and tricks tutorial, I wanted to go over dodging and burning and my perspective and my opinions on it. These aren't like complete facts, but these are just the way that I understand them. So for me, I use dodging and burning as a way to accent the shadows and highlights which are already present in a picture. Some people use it to reconstruct a lot of things in a picture, but me personally, I like to use it as a way to just highlight what's already within the picture. So in this picture, you can tell that I changed it to black and white, which in black and white images allow you to see where the shadows and highlights are a lot easier because there's no color involved. And with this layer, I kind of just go through and you can tell the shadowy areas where I'm like darkening them, and all the highlighted areas I'm making them a lot brighter so they stand out a lot more. And it's, you kind of have to train your eye for it a little bit. When I started, I definitely couldn't see what I was doing, and so I felt like I wasn't doing anything at all, which turning off your adjustments and turning them back on comes into like a big factor. But you'll definitely be able to see them a lot better than I could. This also allows you to like frame the face a little better. So usually coming into like from cheek to jawline, you're darkening, so it encompasses the rest of the face. And so usually when you get around to your eyes and like the eyebrow area, it's usually a lot lighter. And so that's usually parts that I like to highlight. But that was just like a little tips and tricks and segment of this video. Nothing too major, but just a little thing that I thought I would explain to the best of my abilities. See you guys in the next one.